gonna make this a special day for her.
Yeah, so we need this to be as hard as I like to.
Okay.
Would you like me to bring you to the bedroom so I can show you?
Sure. Wow! Do you like the fact that I'm moving in?
Yeah.
Wow, is this position alright for you?
Yes, you know me so well.
Why you cheat on me?
Yeah, it's not what you think.
What I think? You want to cheat also make sure you find a handsome guy lah. Find this kind of ugly guy for what?
Hey, what's with the insult?
Look at you, thin not thin, fat not fat, muscular not muscular. One what also don't have what. Only got a lot of pimple.
He's the interior designer recommended by Renopedia platform.
Renopedia is the online leading renovation platform with many interior design firms and product merchants.
You think I believe you ah? You think I actually go and buy flower for you? Break my heart. Never mind, this flower you take. You take.
Why you buy for me flowers?
Love you ma. You see got a wedding ring oh you. Happy April Fool ah. Hey, right bro, come.
Why you so childish one?
Design your dream home with Renopedia platform, offering 200 plus design firms and 50 plus product merchants to bring your vision to life.